loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I made this very nice looking sweet basket. I'm sorry I didn't film from the beginning because I made this baskets from scratch. Okay, I made what you're seeing on your screen from scratch using a cardboard paper, a decorated paper, a cork, and glue. Okay, even the cylinder where I'm supposed to place the basket I made using a cardboard paper. Please do watch the remaining process, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section, okay, and I will get to you. I'm sorry about not filming from the beginning. In my next birthday project I'm going to do that. All right, please do watch and enjoy.